Hi guys, welcome back or just welcome to KT Eats. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So I just got back from the gym, hence gym clothes, and I'm really excited because I got to eat the item that we're making today, and it was honestly an amazing post-workout snack. It's high in protein, has veggies, low in carbs. You could do it as a pre-workout snack too, but I was looking forward to it my whole workout. So I got home and it was delicious. It's a mini quiche. It supports my gains because it's packed with protein. Yum. I say just eggs, I don't literally mean eggs. I'm talking about just eggs. I used this in a previous video. Actually, I think it was my last one when I made breakfast with French toast. And it got me thinking about all the other wonderful things I could do with this product because I'm obsessed with it. And so I decided quiche, little mini quiches would be a good place to start. It's obviously vegan, it doesn't have eggs. Its main ingredients are water, mung bean, so keep watching to see the video on how to make them and please enjoy. I used the Daya sharp cheddar and just put slices on top of each quiche, but you could use cheddar, mozzarella, or whatever your favorite cheese is, shredded or sliced, and just place it on top. And this is the finished product. As you can see, they did rise slightly. I probably could have filled them each up a little bit more, but I'm glad they didn't spill over the top and make a mess. What did you guys think? Pretty delicious, right? You could obviously add a crust to it to make it a little more portable, or swap in whatever veggies you find most interesting. Keep an eye out for my next video. I will be having another mystery guest, and we are going to do a coffee creamer challenge. We're going to try our top 5 or so favorite coffee creamers and let you know which one we really think is best. So, I'll see you soon.